Welcome to Miss Carol's art class. I'm going over how to submit assignments in Google Classroom. There are a few different ways you can do it. I'm going to go to my class page. This is a demo class set up for demonstrations. And I'm going to go up to the top where it says classwork. And I'm going to look for the unit that I'm working under and the assignment with the due date. This is the assignment that I am working in. It is currently a missing assignment, so I'm going to go to View Assignment. From here, I can see how much the assignment is worth. I can see when it is due. I can see that it is currently missing, and the directions for the assignment. So the directions say, please write a response to the video. I'm going to pretend that I watched the video because I'm a good student and I would follow the directions. And then I'm going to come over here to add or create. So when I do that and I click, there are several options. So some of the easiest options would be to create some of the items from Google Suite. So that would include a Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Sheets, or Google Drawings. All of these are similar in the way that they're used. They're pretty user-friendly. So if I needed to write a response to the video, I would probably come over here and create new Google Doc. And this is going to take me to a new Google assignment. It'll have up here my name and the assignment title, which is great because then my teacher knows that it is my work and which assignment it is for. I can type directly into the document. I'll type edit, and you see it saving up here, save to drive, saved almost immediately. So sometimes it depends on how many programs I have open or my internet connection. It might take a little bit longer, but it's pretty much immediate. You do want to make sure that it has saved before you X out of the document. I am going to go ahead and close out of this document, and you can see that my assignment is here because this is where I created the document. You can also go up to your waffle and go to Google Docs and create one from there, but this is much easier. It keeps everything in the same place. And I can also click on this from here. It's going to take me back to my document. And you can see that it left off exactly where I left it. So everything that is saved is going to show up here. Okay, I'm going to close out of that. If there's anything else I wanted to add here, I can add as many documents as I need to before I click Turn In. So I'm also going to go in and I'm going to add a file. So you can add a file if you have it saved to your Google Drive, or you can add a file if you have it saved to your computer. So I'm going to click on Add a File, and I'm going to click on Upload and Browse. This is where I would browse a file from my computer. I know you can't see this window because the way that I am presenting, but I'm going to try to find a good picture that I want to upload for this assignment. And I'm actually going to use a student example. This is a Galaxy project that we did. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to click on it to make sure that this is the assignment I want to present, and it is. So this is what I'm going to turn in. This is a computer graphics project we did. We created Galaxy. I'm going to go back, and this is everything I want, so I'm going to go ahead and click Turn In. So now this is prompting me, it's asking, are these all of the assignments you want to include? And are these the correct assignments you want to include? They are, so I'm going to click Turn In. Now when I click Turn In, it's going to show my teacher what day and time I turned it in, that I turned it in late. And if I need to edit anything from here, I can click Unsubmit, Unsubmit. It will notify my teacher that I clicked unsubmit. I can add things. I can delete these items if I need to delete them. So if I don't want my teacher to see something that I did wrong and accidentally have her grade that instead of my real assignment that I'm wanting her to grade, I can X out of it here. Make sure that you absolutely click turn in and then click turn in again so that your assignment shows up as an assignment that is turned in and it's ready for grading. If you don't click turn in, it won't show up that it's ready for grading and it won't get a grade. So from here, my work is done, my assignments are completed. I can come back to the home page. I can go to view all. I see that I have no upcoming assignments. I see that I have no missing assignments, and my assignments are finished. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys. I will post a video on how to upload a picture that you've emailed to yourself.